Hi, my name is Sarwesh. Today I will show you how to generate complex graphs easily using AI in VS Code Editor. Firstly, let's generate a graph of trigonometric function, and then we will modify the code using AI to generate different graphs. So, we will give prompt, write a code to generate a 3-axis bar graph to plot trigonometric function, use Python and Matplot library. Let the code generate. We will have to wait some time for the code generation to complete. After the code is generated, copy the code and paste it into a new file and run the code. We can enlarge the graph using the option present here. We can also save the graph using the Save As option here. Save the image in any suitable location. Now let's understand what the graph denotes. So, this is the graph. This consists of 3 subgraphs, showing the behavior of sine, cos, and tan function respectively. The graph allows us to visualize the periodic nature of the trigonometric functions and their relationship to each other. Now let's try to combine these subgraphs into a single line graph to properly see the relation among the trigonometric functions. Now copy the code from the main file and paste into the prompt box, and press Shift plus Enter to enter new line and give the prompt. Convert this code to make a single graph. This new graph is a line graph showing the relation of the trigonometric functions. Let the code generate. This will take some time. Until then, a trigonometric fact. The sine and cosine functions are periodic with a period of 2 pi radians or 360 degrees. This means that their values repeat after every 2 pi radians or 360 degrees. Now delete the previous code and paste the new code in place of it, and run the code. We can see that a new graph is generated. We will save this graph to a suitable location. Now let's understand what the graph denotes. The x-axis represents the values of x, while the y-axis represents the values of the trigonometric functions. Each trigonometric function is plotted as a separate line on the same subplot. The sine function is represented by the blue line, the cosine function is represented by the orange line, and the tangent function is represented by the green line. The graph also shows the values of the trigonometric functions at specific values of x, which can be used to calculate the values of the functions for other values of x.